Hello Smarties. We have three letters in front of us which look very same. What makes them different is their dots. Jeem, Ha, Khaa. The letter Jeem has a dot in its belly and it makes the sound J. J like jumping. Ha. The letter Ha has no dot. It makes the sound when you eat something spicy and you go like The letter Khaa has one dot on top and it makes the snoring sound. This is how Jeem, Ha, Khaa look at the beginning, middle and at the end of the word. Can you spot the Jeem? Here it is. Can you spot the Ha? Without the dot, here it is. Can you spot the Khaa? With the dot on top? Here it is.